Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Naman Baby, and you are watching our little charcoal. He got something, but I have some grasses for her. Do you want to play with me, Charcoal? He's a very playful cat. Sorry, she. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, oh, see who came from nowhere. Ah, Charcoal, come. Meow, meow, meow. We spend our evening time here with our cats and this green beautiful rice field. Meow. Who will come first? चारकोल. सो फ्रेंड्स, आपको कैसा लगा हमारा किटन्स का प्ले वीडियो विथ एक्सप्लोरिंग नेचर? आई होप यू एंजॉयड द वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. कीप वाचिंग नमन बेबी. बाय बाय. एंड डोंट forget to follow and subscribe us. Meow. Hey, don't go. She is so playful. Bye bye friends.